Hi guys, today mag-unbox tayo ng Nokia 2720 Flip phone. Okay. Alright. Google Assistant, Emergency Assistant. Alright, take it out. The unit. The accessory includes the battery, the earphone, the manual, and the charger. Okay. Wow. So pretty. So pretty siya. Wow. Whoop, whoop. Ayun ako. Ooh. Yan. Actually, magkaang siya. Mas mabigat pa yung 81. Okay, I'll take the battery, put the battery up. Ito, sungkit. Dahan-dahan lang ha. Baka mamaya masira ang clip. Goodbye. Ayun ang sinasabi ko. Okay. On. This is powered by Kai iOS. Okay. Tagal lang nga mag-on. Sakit na ng Nokia yan. Pero maganda siya. Laki ng keypad. Mas mabilis mag-text saka mag-dial. Compare kay 81. Kay 81 maliit. Spacing. Masyadong maliit. Hindi maganda sa malaking kamay. Daliri pa lang, sorry. Ito, kayang-kaya. Malaking maliit. Like the 3300. Ito, okay din naman ang pindutan nito. Pero mas okay ito. Ayan, na-on na siya. Okay, the notice. Camera. Let's try the camera. Camera would like to know your location. Okay, allow. Welcome to camera. Left, right, key, switch between photo. Okay. Let's try it. Preview. Zoom. Zoom in. Malinaw na rin. Zoom out. Okay. Exit. Ito ang exit niya ngayon. Option. Right. Yan. Ito ang text. This notice pala. Sorry. Yun ang text. New. Raise. Oops. Okay na siya. Miss call, dial, okay. Ito ang niya, back. Ito yung Pero mabilis na, okay na siya. Ngayon. Okay. Contacts. Store. May Google Maps na. May YouTube. Assistant, Snake, WhatsApp, Facebook, video, gallery, camera, messages, Google meron na rin, browser meron na rin, Twitter, clock, email, music, radio setting, note, calendar, file, calculator, recorder, and unit converter. Okay, games. Okay. Now we go to setting. See yung laman niya. Airplane mode. Mobile data. Wi-Fi. Pwede ka kumonek ng Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. Geolocation. SIM manager. Calling. Okay. Personal sound, display, search, notice, date. Privacy. Okay. Okay. Ganda siya. Magaang, hindi mabigat. Pag pinip. Oh. And alam ko, you can talk to, kaya may tumawag sa'yo, you can answer it by using this, tapos speakerphone na. Mas mabigat pa tong, 81. O, mas mabigat pa si 33. Magaang to sobra. Okay? Slick yung design. What's this pala? Ano to? Okay. Ito. Long pressure. Okay. Okay. Okay siya. Maganda. Slick design, magaang. Available now. Thank you. Bye. Paglalaroan ko na. Bye-bye.